Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope you're having a fantastic start to your day. Hey, we're here in Phoenix, Arizona looking at this duplex behind me. I'm actually doing a follow-up video from a multi-unit video I did a couple months back. I got a lot of feedback from my friends and family out there who are considering getting into one of these kind of properties. And I wanted to go a little more in depth today as to what kind of costs you're going to be incurring every single month with a multi-unit. Whether you're looking at a duplex, whether you're looking at a triplex, fourplex, and above, there are a couple different things that you want to keep in mind every month. One of the biggest things is management on these things. So this is a duplex. There's a unit here in the front you can see. There's also a unit in the back of the piece of land here. This piece of land is actually also zoned for multi-unit, which means that you can build an additional up to 3 units on this particular land. So you can have a total of up to 5 units on this piece of land. So I'm bringing this up because that is another cost that you could incur as an owner on these type of properties. Obviously, it's a future investment that you're going to have on this property because this one right here is move-in ready. There's already tenants inside actually, and they're on a long-term lease as well. So one of the biggest things one of the biggest questions I get with these kind of properties and my clients is, what am I going to pay every month to manage something like this? So my biggest recommendation is making sure you are hiring a property management company, somebody who specifically deals with multi-units. They offer services that are going to help you keep your hair in your head without pulling it out every single month. The property management company handles things such as repairs. They'll send somebody out as a part of whatever you're paying per month, instead of you getting those calls at 2, 3 in the morning. Hey, our pipe is burst, there's flooding, there's an infestation of whatever it is. The tenant will actually call the property management company directly. That'll probably run you a few $100s per month depending on the property type and also depending on what you want the property management company to do. So property management is number one. I would say 70% of these type of properties have no HOA. However, there is rare instances where these kind of properties do have a homeowners association. So that's something that you want to make sure you calculate into your monthly cost as well, if that property has it. So number one, property management. Number two, homeowners association, if applicable. Number three is going to be taxes. On these kind of units as well, or these kind of properties rather, taxes are going to be a little bit different than when they calculate for a single family house. So duplex, triplex, fourplex, you'll start to see as those property numbers increase, the unit numbers increase rather, you'll also start to see that those taxes will increase slowly but surely as well. So property management, HOA if applicable, taxes, you want to make sure you have some coverage on this property as well. God forbid something were to happen, it burned down, or something really drastic happened, an act of God. One thing that happened out here many years ago was hail damage. A lot of homeowners out here in the Phoenix area had to run claims with their insurance companies because their roofs were just completely destroyed after one of our hailstorms during monsoon season. So making sure you have proper coverage for your units are going to be imperative because God forbid something were to happen, you want to make sure you're covered and you can have that property rebuilt from the ground up if need be. So property management, HOA if applicable, taxes, insurances, homeowners insurance is going to be something as well. And one thing that I always recommend to my clients is make sure you have some reserves put aside every single month, because sometimes my clients don't decide to go the property management route. They decide to manage the entire property themselves for the duration that they own it, or just for a couple of years. The reason why I always recommend getting a property management company is because, again, you're going to be doing all the accounting, you're going to be handling all the repairs, you're going to be handling all of the phone calls that the tenants are going to have with any kind of question that there is regarding their lease, repairs, my AC doesn't work, I have a roach infestation. And most of us out there who are investing in these kind of properties are workers. You know, we are looking to invest in something that we can, that'll pay us back every single month during our retirement, before our retirement. So this is something that you want to make sure you delegate to somebody else. This way you don't have to handle all of that headache when those situations arise. So those are just some of the costs associated with multi-unit properties that I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys out there today. I was getting a lot of feedback as to, hey, how can I get one of these, but more importantly, what it's going to cost me every single month. So keep giving me your feedback. I really appreciate it. I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the best information possible when it comes to the Arizona real estate market. Do me one more favor, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. I want to get this information out to the entire world and get some more feedback as to what you guys want to see when it comes to real estate. Thank you guys again. I'll see you on the next one.